Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Jacob. We're back again with another video after the Battlefield 5 video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. And today we're with Sierra Boy over here. And yeah, basically I left you guys off on the last video about when I was bathing it, that I was going to do the inside on another video. And that video is now. So yeah, it's still been clean. I would say it's pretty clean. Since we have it under a tree, it's a little bit dirty because of the birds. Freaking, I'm gonna go hunt them all. All right, but yeah, don't bring me down because of the community guidelines. All right, please, no, don't do that. But yeah, as you can see, it looks like it's still staying clean, except for that little bit right there. But I mean, otherwise that the whole truck is still clean. But the inside and the glass. So let's go do that. I'm gonna go show you the products that we're gonna be using. Right here is gonna be the stuff that we're gonna be using. We got some of this ArmorAll protectant that's supposed to be protecting like your dashboard and that stuff. And we got the ArmorAll auto glass that creates shine, cleans up the glass a little bit, gets off the dirt, and as you can see right there, it's ammonia free, so it doesn't smell like crap. And yeah, so we're gonna need to use both of these cloths. This one is for the auto glass. Well, that's a paper towel, but I mean, close enough. And then this one is what we gotta use for the ArmorAll. Alright, I'll see you guys inside. Holy crap, this thing's an absolute hot box right now. Alright, so we are inside of it. And what we're going to be using first is we're going to go ahead and start off with the auto glass. We're going to start using this off a little bit, and we're going to get it, all this stuff, crud. We're going to all clean it off and get it all rinsed off. And yeah, we're going to hope it comes out with a better shine. And yeah, we're going to do a time lapse of this, because it's going to take a little bit longer, I think. Alright guys, here comes the time lapse. Yeah guys, now that we got done with the glass, I'll do a little bit of a walk around, show you guys how it did. I think it did pretty good. I mean, it did, so I did have a little bird poop right there. It cleaned it off a little bit. Not too much. You can still see there's just a long streak right here. But I mean, otherwise that, it cleaned it up pretty good. Right here too, I had sap right there. It did all right with it, but basically all right. But once we get over here, I'll do the two driver's side and the back on off camera, because then I don't know, I think this video shouldn't be that long. So then we got right here, it did leave a little bit of streaks around. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's streaks going all the way across the whole window. So it does leave a little bit of streaks, even though it says streak free. Don't believe everything you read. Over here it did do better. Here's an inside look. You can kind of see the streaks, but not as much. On the outside you can really see the streaks. Then we go over here. It did a little bit better. Couldn't really see the streaks that time. So yeah, that's gonna be the, what do you call it, window cleaner. And now we'll be getting into the inside protectant, which is gonna be the worst because it's gonna be like a hot box, because it's like feels like 90 degrees outside, 86 degrees really. So yeah, let's go do that now. Okay guys, so basically what you want to do with this ArmorAll protectant is you want to shake it all good, just like that. All right, because I know that's very important. And then what it says is you gotta shake you gotta spray liberally. So this goes against regular standards. But you gotta spray it onto the rag. That's what I was saying. So just spray it all over the place. Spray a bunch of it. Uh-oh. I'm not running out, am I? There we go. So then once you do that, you then put it up onto here and you start wiping all over the place. Alright, now let's get into the time lapse of that and let's go do it. Alright guys, we just got done with the protectant, and as you guys can, what was that? Oh, okay, never mind, that was a water bottle, okay. But yeah, it kind of just shines it up. It gives it a little bit of a shine. It cleans it up a little bit, almost like a duster almost. So if we look at it, it looks a little bit more shinier. As you can see, there's a little bit of shine coming off from there. But everything just looks like 10 times shinier everywhere. I mean, it might be because, like, if you see some debris, it might just be because of the rag I was using. It wasn't, like, as clean as probably they were asking for. But otherwise that, it kind of cleans it up and it does its job. So, yeah. I think that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to show you guys one more thing. And so, basically, as a rundown for these items right here, I would say the protectant, the inside protectant works pretty well, even for how much it costs. It also gives off some UV protection, as it says right there. So if you have like no garage or something, you can keep your inside of your car safe without needing like a shader or something. And for the auto glass, I say it works pretty well even with no ammonia. And the streak free works a little bit. As you can see, it did have a little bit of a streak to it, but otherwise that, it works pretty well. And yeah, that's probably going to be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, peace out.